Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Rangone. I'm here to review some things that we learned during the first week of our computer classes, and I'm here to give you some follow-up activities to that first lesson that we had together this week. One thing that I want to show you is that I have my very own teacher website. Before this year, most teachers had an e-board where we posted all of our websites and activities and assignments. Since we now have Google Classroom and all our assignments will be going there, I have a special website just for my class that has a lot of great stuff on it. So if you go into your Google Classroom this week, you're going to see your screen that looks like mine right now. And the very first thing on your stream is an announcement to check out my website. So if you all go and you click my website, it's called Rangone Technology. It takes you to my webpage. It tells you all that information that I went over this week about our class and when we will be meeting. It also has weekly video lessons. If you're ever absent or if you're a remote learner, all of my video lessons will be found here. And most importantly, which I know you're all going to find interesting, is my student websites tab, which is found right here. When you click it, it has all really cool websites that we're going to be visiting throughout the school year while you have me for computer class. Some things might look familiar, like Gigi the Penguin for ST Math and Storyline Online. There's a keyboarding game here called Dance Mat Typing. I have the link to Brain Pop and Brain Pop Junior. I'm also posting the username and passwords for that, so you'll be seeing that soon, and some other really great things. So if you ever want to check this out or have some free time to explore my website, that's how you would find it. Right now, like I said, you find my website by going to this link right here on my stream. So now if you're watching this video, I have a very important activity that I would like you to complete that goes along with what we talked about during either our in-person lesson or our Google Classroom lesson. This activity is only for the fully remote students. So right now in your Google Classroom, you're going to see a new assignment for September the 11th, which is called Chromebook Care. When you're done watching this video, I would like you to go into your Google Classroom and click on this assignment. When you click on the assignment, it will look like this. The directions say, this week during computer class, we discussed how important it is to respect our Chromebooks and take care of our Chromebooks. Please watch the video I showed in class to review the important rules. So there's 3 steps you have to complete after you watch this video. Step 1, you're going to watch the taking care of your Chromebook video that I have linked here in the Google Classroom. Step 2, you're going to complete an assignment that's in a Google form. I went over how to answer these types of questions when we met together this week. And when you're done completing this assignment, you have to click the green submit button. So when you're ready to complete this assignment, you're going to click here and you're going to watch the taking care of your Chromebook video. When you're done watching the video, yes, I know we already watched it together once. I would like you to watch it one more time before you complete the assignment in Google Classroom. So after you watch this, you're going to go back to your Google Classroom. You're then going to complete this. It says taking care of your Chromebook. You're going to click it. And it's kind of like a survey, or think of it as a worksheet. It's not a test. It's not a quiz. Think of it as a worksheet that you might get in class with your teacher. You're going to click on this. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you each question to this assignment. So you may also use my recorded video that you're listening to now to play as you take it if you would like someone to read this assignment to you. The first thing you're going to want to do is type your first and last name so I know who is completing this assignment. Okay, so you're going to want to type in your first and last name. You're then going to answer 10 pretty simple questions that go over everything that was in that video and everything we talked about this week about taking really good care of that Chromebooks. Because like I told you earlier in the week, you can't have computer class without a computer. So I really need you all to be taking care of them. And this assignment is going to check if you were listening to all those important rules this week. Number 1, it is important to charge your computer every night. Yes or no? You're going to pick an answer. When you pick an answer, it's going to fill in a dark circle, okay? That was number 1. Number 2 says, it is okay to eat and drink near your Chromebook. Yes or no? You're going to pick your answer. You should carry your Chromebook with 2 hands. Yes? No. Number 4, you should pile things on top of your Chromebook. Maybe put books or things on top of your Chromebook. Yes, you should do that, or no, you should not. Number 5, it is okay to share your password with friends. So the password that you use to get on your Chromebook, it's that long number, your student ID number followed by HPS, and that's how you log into your Chromebook. Should you be sharing that with friends? Yes or no? You should keep the keyboard clear, meaning nothing should be on top of your keyboard where you should be typing. You should keep it clear. Yes, you should keep it clear, or no? You should keep your Chromebook on a flat surface. Again, all yes or no questions. Number 8, it is okay to put your Chromebook on the floor. Yes or no? Number 9, if your Chromebook breaks, you should tell your teacher right away. Yes, you should, or no, you should not. And number 10 is your last question on this assignment. It says, you only have to follow these Chromebook rules when you're at school. You only have to follow these Chromebook rules at school. Yes or no? When you're all done, please do not forget right here, submit. It's the submit button. Please do not forget to submit this to me. If you just fill in all your answers and hit the X and leave the assignment, your answers won't save and I will not see that you did this assignment. So when you're all finished, you're going to hit submit and it will take you back to the assignment page in my Google Classroom. One last time for anyone completing this lesson, you found this lesson on your tech homepage in Google Classroom, okay? It is titled Friday, September the 11th, Chromebook Care. To find all of those directions on that assignment, you just have to click that assignment. It will look like this. It says Chromebook Care. Again, the directions can be found at the top. You have the video to review that we all watched, and then that survey assignment can be found here. Again, do not forget to hit submit. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me at my email address. And good luck with the assignment. I'm sure you will all do fantastic.